Guys, Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday is now going on. Now for the Inside Track Club members, you're going to be able to access these deals Monday, which is today, 4/7 through Thursday, April 10th. Now everyone can access them Friday through Monday the 14th. Now starting off, check out these 35% off deals on all jack stands in stores. These are not just Daytona, but Daytona, Pittsburgh, whatever jack stands they have, they're going to be 35% off of this price pictured here. Now this is the online price. They're going to be in store at that deal. So this is a 3-ton heavy duty ratcheting jack. It comes in a million different colors. You can also get the Pittsburgh one here. This is the 3-ton aluminum jack stands, $49, but $39 off that. And all these ones listed here as well. They have other site-wide deals like these 35% off on these Icon, all pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers, and then 50% off on all welding wires, rods, and tips. So if you're into welding, this is a great time to stock up as you'll be getting these 50% off deals. From Icon, you're getting this 800 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. That's a mouthful, but it comes in red, black, and blue. This is going to be $23.99. You're saving 40% on these, and you're getting a lot of lumens at 800 lumens, and this is magnetic as well, so you can attach it to your US General box or under the hood of your car. And speaking of US General, you've got these 18-inch magnetic tool holders for $194. That's going to be 61% off here. And from Hardy, next you've got these nitrile powder-free gloves. This is a 50 count. Get them in whatever size you need. These are larges, but it's 50% off at $6.98 here. These were $13.99, and I think they come in all different colors. From Pittsburgh, you're getting this 3-ton low-profile floor jack with rapid pump, $89.99, guys. This is $70 off. It was $159.99, and you're going to get your car up to workable height in just 3.5 pumps, it's saying. For $9.98, this is 50% off on their Warrior Titanium drill bit set. It's a 29-piece set. It was $19.99 originally. Not sure, what do you guys think about this set? It's saying it's 4.1 to 2 stars. Not sure why. Now from US General, if you don't have a paper towel holder on your cart, this may come in handy because it's 46% off, comes in all these different colors. These are magnetic, so you just pop them on the side of your cart, throw in some paper towels, and you're good to go because they generally don't have a paper towel holder. Next from Bauer is 20-volt brushless cordless impact driver kit. Now this is nice because on their Bauer tools, especially on impact drivers and drills, they don't have discounts on them. $59, it was $69, you're saving 14% here, and this is nice because it comes with the 1.5 amp hour battery as well as the charger, so you're getting the whole kit here. Next from Pittsburgh is this 1/2-inch drive front wheel drive axle lock nut socket set. It's a 7-piece set. This is going to be $39.99. You're saving 33% here. And then from Daytona, this is a 2-ton Pro Racing Series aluminum floor jack with rapid pump. You're saving $40 at $169.99. And this can lift up to 4,000 pounds in seconds. And guys, just remember, if you do find benefit in this video, leave a like and a comment. Now this is from Western Safety. These are their safety glasses with clear lens, half off at 98 cents. So if you need a few extra pairs of safety glasses or you want to pick some up for your friend, this is the time to do it. From Earthquake XT, you've got this 1/2-inch composite air impact wrench. It's a twin hammer, 12,000 foot-pounds. I really like this purple color. It's $79.99. You're saving $50 here, but it comes in all these other different colors off to the side. Maybe that's just because I'm a Ravens fan. Now this next deal's on a 6.5 amp variable speed compact router. Remember how I talked about the deals on Bauer not having really any deals? They do have some on routers and polishers. 50% off at $29.99. This is going to give you 3 times more power, and it has 6 adjustable speeds as well. Now this is a 16-ounce fiberglass rip hammer for $3.93. You're saving 43% on this one. It was originally $6.99 on this fiberglass hammer. Now this is a 6-inch magnetics parts holder for $188. It's 55% off. It was $419. And look, guys, you can even just slap it on your US General tool cart, even sideways like this, which is really nice because the top, sometimes you can have stuff on it, it gets cluttered up. Now from Pittsburgh, you got this 15-inch adjustable wrench for $892. This is going to be 40% off. It was $14.99. Now look at that size, it's 15 inches, so you're actually getting more leverage with this tool. This is one of the best prices I've seen for this shelf. It's from Yukon. It's a 36 inch by 18 inch by 72 inch, and it can hold up to 150 pounds per shelf. And they're just showing it like in a garage with what you can put on it. Now from Braun is this 450 lumen rechargeable pen light at $13.99, which is going to be 30% off. It was $19.99. And this is IPX7 rated, so it's drop rated and weather rated. It comes, it's rechargeable, so it comes with the charging cord. Now guys, remember these deals. This is going to be a 50% off site-wide deal on all the welding wires, rods, and tips. So if you're into welding, it's a great time to stock up on some of these items. Now this is from Portland. It's a 1750 PSI 1.3 gallon per minute corded electric pressure washer. This is going to be $67.99. You're saving 24% here. This is just a nice everyday power washer if you're doing on your deck or car or siding. From Daytona, you're getting this 3-ton long-reach, low-profile professional floor jack for $179. This is going to be $60 off here. It was $239, but you're saving $60. Comes in black, blue, green, and orange, and gets your car to working height, it says, in just 3.5 pumps. Next up, we have from Titanium. This is a nice, easy starter, Easy Flux 125 amp welder. You're saving $30 here. It was $119.99. And it's saying it's easy to use and DC-based inverter power. Now for $169, you're saving $30. It was $199 on this Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set. You're getting 301 different tools here. It does come with a nice case with the 2 extra pull-out portions. And this is the case when you're looking at it from the front. A really comprehensive toolkit here. Now another deal from Bauer, this is a kind of a rare deal on their wrench kit. It's an impact wrench, 5 amp hour battery and a charger. You're saving $20 on this one, almost 5 stars with over 300 reviews, and 650 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,000 foot-pounds of bolt breakaway torque. Now from Hercules, you're getting this 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Now with this, you're getting that precision LED shadow guide. This is going to be $50 off at $299.99. Pretty good deal. This is really one of their best miter saws, just based on all the features they have. And here you can see them using the dual bevel. It's got a nice high fence in the back as well with that LED precision shadow. Next, from Daytona, you've got this 3,000 pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dollies. These are $89.99. You're saving $40 here. And these also have a built-in jack for self-loading operation. I did not know that. Now this is from Quinn. It's a Master Tech tool set. It's a 428-piece set. You're saving $100 on this at $299.99. And this is just a close-up of all the different ratchets, hex keys, and all the sockets here. This is just a huge kit if you are a Master Tech or just need a new tool set here. And this is going to be $100 off on this one. Now next up, you've got these McGraw 6-gallon 150 PSI oil-free pancake job site air compressors. And this is going to be a $30 savings, coming in at $99.99 with their Spring Black Friday deal here. Now from Avanti, you've got these handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayers. $39.99. You're saving 42%. They were $69. And these are saying it's 3 times faster than just using a manual applicator. Now this is a Central Machinery 1500 watt steam cleaner, $89.99. You're saving $40 here. I do really think it's essential for you to have some sort of steam cleaner just for stains, carpet, or they're using it for their car obviously as well. Now from Hallmaster, you're going to be saving 54% on these 400 pound capacity 1 inch by 15 foot ratcheting tie downs. This is going to be a 4-pack, and a really good deal here at 54% off. And it also comes with a little video if you need to watch that on just getting a refresher on how to load these up and use them. But this would be great for tools or furniture, just using the back of your truck. This is a Pittsburgh Next fully polished metric combination wrench set. You can get it in SAE or metric. It's a 14-piece set at 20% off at $19.99. And now at $100 off at $7.99 is this US General 56-inch by 22-inch roll cab, Series 3 in red. You can choose all these different colors. I personally like the blue and the green, but this is a roller cabinet which can store over 2 tons of tools with 23,500 cubic inches of space. Now for $69.99, this is a $45 savings on this Icon Professional Adjustable Shop Seat. What I like with this is you get that storage section underneath, which is nice for if you have sockets, wrenches, or whatever you need to put under there, which is really essential when you're working. Comes in blue, green, black, and red as well. Next from HFT, you've got these anti-fatigue foam mats. It's a 4-pack here, 20% off at $7.96. They were $9.99 here. And that's great if you just need to stay off your feet a little bit, not standing on cement all day. Now the $310 savings at $7.89. This is a Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start and CO secure tech. This is great for RVs, home backup, and this can be used for gasoline or propane. And next from Badland, you've got this 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote. This is going to be $120 off at $479.99. It was $599. And they're saying this is built for really extreme condition. It has the series wound motor, which optimizes power and delivery to minimize that excess heat while maintaining fast line speeds. It also includes a wireless remote as well as 80 feet of synthetic rope. Now from Portland is this 6.5 amp, 9.5 inch electric pole saw. I think they actually mean 9.5 feet. That makes a little bit more sense. This is gonna be 16% off at $49.99. It was $59 here. And that's just him using, you can see it is actually 9.5 feet, not 9.5 inches. And from Avanti, you've got this airless paint, primer, and stain sprayer. $60 off at $189.99. It was originally $249. And this also comes with the, I think I showed you the spray gun earlier, so you can get both of those on sale if you need to pick that up. And this is 3,000 PSI, and it has a 3/4 horsepower pump. Now from Bauer, you've got this 2,300 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute brushless Max Pro electric pressure washer. This is always at $249 in store, but you can actually get it $60 off now at $189.99. And this is saying delivers over 30% more cleaning power for concrete, brick, and vinyl. Now from Predator, you have this gas-powered earth auger at $169.99. It was $219, so you're saving $50 here. And they're saying with the design of the handle, it can be easily operated by one person, which is obviously ideal. Got some cable ties at 100 pack at 37% off. This is going to be $143. And now from Doyle, you have these Pro retractable utility knives at $479. This is going to be a savings of 46%. They were originally $899 here. And with the retractable blades, they're in the handle, I believe. From Warrior, you've got these step-down drill bits for $996. That's a 41% savings, and originally was $1699. And you can drill holes, it's saying, in 21 different sizes based on the different step bit you're drilling to, basically. Comes in a 2-pack, of course. Now, this is an American flag. It's a 3-foot by 5-foot with embroidered stars for $393. You're going to be saving 60% here. It was $9.99 if you want to show off your patriotism there. And now this is Icon. This is going to be the 35% off deal. This is all pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers. Now this is in-store only, so keep that in mind. So these prices here at the bottom, these are going to be the original prices. I believe you're going to be getting 35% off these prices just because you can't get them online. You can only get them in store. So you can get them on these crimpers, all these different tools here. Now for batteries, these are the Thunderbolt Magnum batteries. Basically all sizes, you're getting 29% off. This one is the AAAs at $492, the AA's same price, and then same price on C&Ds as well. Now this is a all-weather purpose tarp. This is going to be $292. You're saving 41%. When I tried to click on it online for some reason, it didn't let me click through, so that's why I'm showing it to you here. And guys, I would love to hear in the comments what you picked up or planning to pick up. I'd love to hear your hauls, I guess they call it now. Greenwood, you've got this $9.99 garden sprayer. This is going to be 28% off. And you've got the larger 4-gallon backpack sprayer. This is going to be 33% off. at $19.99. Now, if you have flies that get in your garage or like sometimes in your house with spring and summer coming up, this is a 50% off savings on this insect swatter. And this just kind of zaps them, I believe, when you swing and hit them. So one way to take care of those. It was originally $4.99. Now from Predator, you've got this 4375 watt gas powered portable generator with CO Secure Tech. You're saving $100. This was $479. It's now $379. This is great for emergencies, using for power tools, or on the job site. It does feature a large fuel tank, GFCI outlets, with the CO Secure Tech and carbon monoxide shutdown, which is really nice as far as protection, which you hear some bad stories in the news. Now this is a larger 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator with remote start and CO Secure Tech. This is going to be a $200 savings at $9.99. It was $11.99. So you can use propane gas or natural gas with this one. Next from Predator, this is a replacement for a 6.5 horsepower gasoline engine. You're saving $50 here at $99.99. It was $149. Now from Bauer, this is going to be their 5.7 amp 6-inch random orbital polisher sander. They're really trying to get rid of this one. It's $34.99. You're saving 46%. That's been on sale for months now. Next from Hercules, this is a 20 volt half-inch ultra torque impact wrench with friction ring. This is the tool only, but you are getting a 5-year warranty here. This is $15 savings, $174.99. It was $189. Next from Vulcan is this 10.1 square inch arc safe auto darkening welding helmet. You're saving $40 here at $99.99. It was $139. And this has the lens tech, so you can see it in the picture. You don't need to remove your gloves or anything. Now guys, do remember that I'm probably gonna make more of these videos. This is just some really good deals I saw from their Spring Black Friday deal. And right now, remember, it's the Inside Track Club members, and every one of these deals are gonna be open to starting Friday the 11th through Monday 4/14. So just keep in mind what you want and go there and hope it's there.